Hey everyone, Saksham here, back again with few more tech updates over this weekend. And before we start our tech update stories today, I would quickly like to announce that I'll be coming live on my YouTube channel, like on this channel, exactly at 4 p.m. tomorrow, that is on Sunday. So I look forward to talk to you all since I haven't yet interacted from you all from quite a long time. So tomorrow is the day, exactly at 4 p.m. in the evening, I'm going to catch you up live. Now, first of all, we would like to get started with Nvidia. So nobody had this clue that Nvidia is deliberately accelerating the performance of its GPUs and different chipsets, keeping that in mind that they are going to support the miners for mining the cryptocurrencies. If you don't know what exactly the mining is, then there are some transactions involved while completing the mining process for which they get a reward in order to complete that transaction. So this was reported that Nvidia was doing this from year 2018. And after a quick check was done by American government on Nvidia, they found that they were getting a subsequent rise on their sale due to crypto mining, just not because of gaming, which is why they didn't show the clear vision to their government about their sales and their intentions behind the product, which is why they have to pay a fine of $5.5 million. And this is a huge crash for Nvidia though, but I'm pretty sure that the amount of sales that they must have done by selling those GPUs and chipsets, that must be much more than $5.5 million, since we all know that how much mining is done for the cryptocurrencies these days. Next up, we have news for all the VPN companies that are situated in India. I believe that their future is in little bit of dark these days because recently Certain has issued the guidelines in which they have clearly mentioned that if you are hosting the server of your VPN in the country that is India, then you gotta have to keep the logs, you gotta have to keep the email addresses, and you gotta have to keep the IP addresses of the users till 5 years. So 5 years is a long time, which made a lot of Indian companies to panic over these guidelines. So these guidelines will be followed by Certain from 28th of May. While some of the famous VPN of India like NordVPN and Surfshark VPN has given this explanation to Indian government that we are using RAM only servers, which is not allowing us to do any kind of storage of any user at all, because basically that is not practically possible by the technology by which we are hosting our VPN services. And since we all know that the guidelines are already being issued, so as per the last statement of their companies, they are saying that we are all ready to fly away from a country like India. So they are actually planning to shift abroad and they are leaving this country, and I'm pretty sure that this is not going to impact much of their market because there are already a lot of users in India that are already using the VPNs that are not from the Indian company. Just for the records, India is the second largest company as per the usage and the consumption of the VPN services. We have seen the 48% rise into the VPN market in a country like India. We all know why that is going on. And somewhere we know that it is due to banning some of the adult content, and Telecommunication Department of India is continuously banning some of the sites to serve them in our country, which is why a lot of people are using VPN. Now, the reason given by the government to banning up these VPN services in India is due to increment into the cyber crimes due to the VPN services. But I believe that a lot of aware people are using Tor networks as well, which is pretty hard to crack. But anyways, this was a quick step taken by Indian government in order to decrease the cyber crimes, because in a lot of cases our cyber cell is continuously approaching to the VPN companies in order to hunt something malicious that has happened with people, and they have filed some FIR to the nearest cyber cell stations. Twitter is also facing some of the dark clouds after getting the funding of 7 million more. Now these dark clouds on Twitter are coming by the Foreign Committee of Investment in United States, because they are one of the investors from the Binance crypto exchange, which is really quite famous out there. And we all know that the founder of Binance crypto exchange is natively from China, which is why the Committee of Foreign Investments in United States is realizing that they might can have some security issues due to these kind of investments in United States. So which is why there are high chances that Twitter can come under the impact of scrutiny due to these kind of investments. And also we have one more last quick bonus tech update that WhatsApp will finally allow the users to upload or exchange the files up to 2 GB. We have seen that there was some limit in exchanging the files on WhatsApp, but now they are solving this problem as well. So that was all about quick tech update over this weekend. Don't forget to catch my live on this YouTube channel tomorrow exactly at 4 p.m. that is on Sunday, and don't forget to press the bell icon in order to receive tech updates from this channel. Until then, stay raw and stay teched.